Tulsi, also known as Holy Basil, a highly valued aromatic herb from the mint family. It is deeply rooted in Hindu culture and considered as a sacred plant. The botanical name of Tulsi is Ocimum sanctum. Tulsi is a great immunity booster, rich in vitamin C and zinc, essential for a healthy immune system. Tulsi is closely associated with Lord Vishnu and his avatars, especially Krishna. Tulsi is believed to purify the environment, and its presence is thought to bring good luck, prosperity, and spiritual growth to devotees.